Hi, Gary here. This is a car my kids got from me called the Sky Car that we thought 15 years ago was going to revolutionize the way we travel. And of course, it did not occur for a variety of reasons. But today I want to talk about 4 technologies around transportation. The first one is autonomous vehicles on the ground. And you've probably seen the Google car, 3.1 million miles without an accident and so forth. Well, what's happening right now is we believe by 2035 there'll be 54 million autonomous vehicles on the road. Now, why is that important? Well, number one, autonomous vehicles don't drive drunk, they don't text, they don't have Alzheimer's, and they're not falling asleep. So there's much fewer accidents. There's 1.2 million people killed a year in vehicle accidents. Number two, they take a lot less energy because of the size of these cars relative to normal cars. Number three, take a lot less space. You can put a lot more of them on the highway together, which really helps the real estate and the cost of construction. And quite frankly, if you just want to get picked up to go from here to there for a meeting or whatever you need to do, or you want to sleep while you're being driven somewhere, or you have a conference, or you're going to have a conference on wheels, or you want to have a party, whatever happens to be, these vehicles will be able to do this. The next one is Telepresence Robotics. Now you may have seen this I-beam shown here, robot, out there, and it's there right now. I was at a conference earlier this year where there were about 15 or 20 of them in the room. When I went up and chatted with a few of them, you can see all their facial expressions and really feel like your presence with that person. And they're up at eye level and you're talking to them. They even got up to the microphone and asked questions. It's pretty cool. One business owner I know has several of these in 4 different offices that he visits, usually on a daily basis, to meet with people and so forth. It's going to cut down huge costs in airline travel, moving your body from one place to another, save an enormous amount of time as well. There's a lot of applications for it. The third one here is a Hyperloop. A few years ago, California announced a $69 billion project to build a high-speed train between LA and San Francisco. Well, Elon Musk, the creator of SpaceX and Tesla and Solar City, wrote up and published a paper about a Hyperloop. What is that? Well, it's a cross between a Concorde, a railgun, and air hockey. Think of it as a tube with a vehicle inside of it going at up to 700 miles per hour, much faster than air travel. Well, why is that important? Well, first of all, it's 1/10 of the cost and is currently being tested and under construction to see if it's actually viable. But you could get between LA and San Francisco in 30 minutes, New York to Philly in 10 minutes. I mean, this is really much different. It's going to change the boundaries of where you live, where the real estate is located, not necessarily near the city centers, if this particular technology moves forward. The fourth one is point-to-point aerial transport. Now, you saw my Sky Car earlier, but right now you've seen these drones all over the place. Well, you've got lightweight materials, high-density batteries, and GPS navigation. Between those three, we now can build vehicles, very small sizes of cars or smaller, to move us point to point. It's going to be on call, just like Uber is, to do that, and can make a big difference. They fly at 500 feet and they can land in parking lots, vertical landing and takeoff can make a big difference. I think this time those may come through, and there's multiple companies right now pouring lots of money into these designs of these kinds of transportation. So the reason we're going over this technology today is because we have our 3rd annual technology night coming up Thursday, October 8th, here from 5 to 9 p.m. It's going to be phenomenal. What I'll do is, why don't you listen to this commercial that my team did and find out more about what's going on. So until next time, enjoy.
Hello, may I help you?
Yes, I'm looking to set up a Wi-Fi network in my home, but I have no idea where to begin.
Well, we have several choices. First of all, we have different band speeds, 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz band speed, all based on the 802.11 model, OSI model. I'm sure you're familiar with that. And we have also different security, WPA, WPA2, guest access, USB ports. So if you want to hook up a hard drive, you want to hook up a USB, perhaps.
Technology. Let's make it easier than this. We understand that technology can be confusing. That's why we created our Technology Night. Join us on October 8th from 5 to 9 p.m. at Coyle's office for our 3rd annual Technology Night. New this year, the Android Lounge will be joining the iLounge to help you with your smartphone questions. The Links guys are back by popular demand with a cybersecurity briefing. And how about a session on learning technology basics? And there's so much more in our breakout sessions. Find out more information at coilefinancial.com/tech.